Okay guys, this is the big saguaro in my backyard, and this is the saguaro that the Gila woodpeckers have a nest in, and I just kind of wanted you to see the whole thing. It's pretty tall. My palm tree is even taller though. Look at that. That goes way up there. But anyway, the saguaro is right there, and the birds might scream at me when I go over here, but you see a hole right there, and you see a hole right here, right there. But the one we've been looking at is that one right there. That's a Gila woodpecker nest in there. And then just around this corner, there's my little bird bath over there behind the tree. And all the little birds come and visit my faucet right over here, and they get water. There's a little drip and they all line up and get water. Anyway, just wanted to show you this so you would know where we were coming from. All the little birds are in the tree waiting for water. So let me get some and take care of them, and I'll show you the rest. Thanks.